Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how you can create a repeating sequence of numbers in Excel. For this you need to use the sequence functions combined with arithmetic rounding or integer division. So for this you need to use the formula, put the equal sign, type round up, open the bracket, type sequence, open the bracket and type 12. That generates number 1 through 12, comma, and then 1, 1, close the bracket and backslash 3, comma. That dividing by 3 yields value like 0.33, 0.66, 1, 1.3, etc. Space 0 and close the bracket and hit enter. Make sure the roundups of the group of 3 up to the next whole integer, and this is what you can see that. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can create sequence repeating numbers in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.